We are discussing exercise 5.7 question number 11. If y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, then prove that d square y upon dx square, that means second derivative plus y the term is this, is equal to 0. हमें prove करना है. Then first solution, y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx is equal to this 5 constant term, cos का derivative minus sin x minus 3 sin का derivative cos x. Then again differentiate with respect to x, then second derivative d square y upon dx square is equal to sin का derivative cos and this cos का derivative minus sin plus 3 sin x. This second derivative is this. This second derivative, this first जो हमारे पास given था, and then this, prove that this plus y is equal to 0. Put the value, this d square y upon dx square minus 5 cos x plus 3 sin x, and value of y is plus 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. This left hand side d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx is equal to 0. हमें प्रूव करना था. This हमने इसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड माना. This left hand side d square y upon dx square plus y. Then put the value of both. This cancel out to this. This cancel out to this. Is equal to 0. Is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. This d square y upon dx square plus y is equal to 0. Now, question number 12. Y is equal to cos inverse x and find d square y upon dx square in terms of y. In terms of y की टर्म में निकालना है. Then this differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square is the derivative of cos inverse x. And then again differentiate with respect to x, again differentiate with respect to x, then d square y upon dx square is second डेरिवेटिव करेंगे इसका. सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव में दिस कोशेंट रूल लगाएं हम यहाँ पे. दिस 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड देयर स्क्वायर रूट एंड देयर स्क्वायर इज कैंसिल आउट. v as it is and derivative this minus term is this. v as it is, derivative of u, this value is 0, minus this derivative of this 1 by this derivative is this 1 by 2 root x minus x square minus 2x, this value is 2x, this complete value is 0, 2 से 2 cancel out हुआ. This d square y upon dx square is equal to x upon 1 minus x square and power 3 by 2, and this value is negative. And the question number 13, now question number 12, question कोट 1, दिस वैल्यू इसने आगे इसको कोट की टर्म्स में लिख रखा है, आप इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ सकते हो, डी स्क्वायर वाई अपॉन डी एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स अपॉन 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. एंड देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, and show that d square y2, शो करना है आपको d square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0. जो हमारे पास y2 means second order derivative, y1 is first order derivative and y is given. Then differentiate with respect to x. Then dy by dx is equal to this 3 cos का derivative minus sin log x and log x का derivative 1 by x. This sin का डेरिवेटिव cos log x and log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x. And then taking LCM of x is minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x upon x and dy by dx, and this term is multiplied to this, and then the term is this. Again differentiate with respect to x. यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट रूल लगेगा, यहाँ पे x as it is d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx, derivative of x is 1. This sin derivative is cos minus 3 cos log x upon x. Cos का minus sin minus 4. This term is cos का sin minus sin is log x upon x. And then this taking LCM and x multiplied to this, then x square d square y upon dx square plus x into dy by dx, and this term is equal to minus common निकाल लें तो this 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. This term is y, this complete y, this term is y, then x square d square y upon dx square plus x dy by dx, this minus y इधर आके plus y is equal to 0, hence proved. Divided by y नहीं है, this complete term is y, then y next step में y को इधर लेके जाएंगे, this जो हमें प्रूव करना था वो. And then next question number 14. if y is equal to a e raised to power mx plus b e raised to power nx, and then show that d square y upon dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus m and y is equal to 0. आपको ये प्रूव करना है. इससे पहले जो हमने क्वेश्चन किया उसमें वो मल्टीप्लाई होगा, सेम टर्म अपने आप बन के आ गई. जब हमारे पास सेम टर्म बन के नहीं आएगी तो हम क्या करेंगे, जो हमारे पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है, जो हमारे पास गिवन वैल्यूज है, उसमें सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे और फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, और उनकी वैल्यू पुट करने के बाद जो सोल्व होने के बाद आएगा वो देखेंगे कि वो 0 आता है या नहीं आता है. हमने शो करना है तो 0 आएगा ही आएगा. देन डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, then dy by dx is equal to a m e की पावर mx plus b n e की पावर nx. This e raised to power mx का डेरिवेटिव e raised to power mx into m, and a is the constant. E raised to power nx derivative of e raised to power nx is e raised to power nx, and nx का डेरिवेटिव n, and b is arbitrary constant, and then again differentiate with respect to x. Then d square y upon dx square second order derivative, this a m square e raised to power mx plus b n square e raised to power nx. This value is second order derivative, this first order derivative, this second order derivative, and this y is given. This 1, this 2 and this 3. तीनों की वैल्यू को पुट करेंगे यहाँ पे, एंड देन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हमारे पास होगी ये हमारे पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है. हमने इक्वल टू 0 निकालना है तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हमने ली और वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. दिस a m square e raised to power mx plus b n square e raised to power nx minus m plus n, and first order derivative is this a m e की power n mx plus b n e की power nx, and then plus m n a e raised to power mx plus b e raised to power nx, and multiply to this. A m square e raised to power mx plus b n square e की पावर nx माइनस, दिस टर्म पहले माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, माइनस a m square e की पावर mx, and then minus b m n e की पावर nx, then माइनस n से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दिस माइनस a m n e की पावर mx, and then minus b n square e की पावर nx plus a m n e की पावर mx plus b m n e की पावर nx. a m square e की पावर mx, b n square e की पावर nx, this b m n e की पावर nx, b m n e की पावर nx, a m n e की पावर nx, a m n e की पावर nx is equal to RHS. Then left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved this. अभी आप क्वेश्चन करेंगे, then 15 and 16 क्वेश्चन आप करेंगे, and 17 क्वेश्चन is same as this. 17 क्वेश्चन को मैं करा देता हूँ, and then complete the exercise. Question number 17. Then y is equal to tangent inverse x and their square. And then show that this x square plus 1 and their square y2 plus 2x into x square plus 1 y1 is equal to 2. Then differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x. Then dy by dx power 2 आ जाएगी tangent inverse x and then differentiation of 1 plus x square. Again differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x, then d square y upon dx square is equal to 1 plus x square whole square, 1 plus x square as it is, the derivative of this 2 is the term, 2 tangent inverse x, then derivative of this first as it is, the derivative of this 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square and then minus 2 tangent inverse x and this derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. Then this cancel out to this. Then d square y upon dx square is equal to 2 minus 2 tangent inverse x into 2x, and this term is multiplied to this 1 plus x square and their whole square. This 1 plus x square and their square, d square y upon dx square, this and 2x, इसको इधर लेके आएंगे. That implies 1 plus x square and their square and d square y upon dx square, and this term is plus 2 tangent inverse x into 2x is equal to 2. This value is 2 tangent inverse x and 2x, but 2x के बाद तो हमारे पास term है x square plus 1 and dy by dx. Then use this 2 tangent inverse x, 2 tangent inverse x, this is equal to 1 plus x square into dy by dx. Then put the value of this, then 1 plus x square and their square, d square y upon dx square plus 2 tangent inverse x की वैल्यू हुई हमारे पास this 2x into 1 plus x square into dy by dx is equal to 2. Hence proved. Then complete your exercise.